And I need some lip gloss. Red lace, give him about a big breaking hope 6 stripes on my, so he caught us. What's poppin' Day Nation? It's your girl Dayla here, aka Miss Celeb. If you ain't gang, then you lame. What you saying? What you doing? And I'm back with another YouTube video. And I'm out of breath. Before I get into this video, I wanted to say go follow me on Instagram. We're almost at 15K. Then after 15K, we'll soon be on the way to 50K, then 100K. I'm just skipping all the numbers, but those are my goals, y'all. So please make sure you subscribe and become a part of Day Nation and go watch my other videos. Let's get into this video. So I am unboxing this package. This is hair. This hair is from them. I will have their name on the screen because y'all, I don't know how to pronounce the name. But this is hair from them. And I'm going to unbox it and y'all are going to see my first impressions. This is just the envelope. So let's see what this hair is looking like. This is going to be my first time seeing it. They sent me their Malaysian body wave. I'm trying to get this open. Y'all, I'm trying to get this open. It's sealed for real. Usually I be able to open packages easy. But this is... okay. Dayla, get it together. Y'all, why is it so hard to open? Y'all, it's the package. Like, whew. Finally got it open, pretty much. Okay. Whew. About time. This is their box. It is super cute. I love the pink on the sides. And this is the company. This is 100% human virgin hair. And I'm gonna just unbox it for y'all right now. They sent me a 20-inch frontal, a 20-inch bundle, a 22-inch bundle, and 2 24-inch bundles. So let's see what it's looking like. And it also came with these lashes. Yeah, I got them right side up. I don't wear lashes, so I'll give these to my sister because she wears lashes. So yeah, I love the pink, y'all. I never seen a box have pink on it. Like, yeah, I like that. My favorite color is pink, so I do like that. So these are the bundles and the frontal. And this the box just empty. So, oh my god, it's so pretty. Look. Ooh, this is pretty. Look at the wave, y'all. This is really body wave. Like, yeah, that's pretty. This is pretty. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Okay, so like I said, I have a 22-inch bundle, a 24-inch bundle, another 24-inch bundle, and another 20 bundle. And this is a 20-inch frontal. So I'm gonna go and open the frontal first so y'all can see. Ooh. This is cute. Like, it's really wavy. Y'all see the wave? Like, yes sir, it's cute. Okay. This is Malaysian hair. And just pop it open. Feel it. Let's see how it feels. All the bundles and stuff come with nets on them. It don't smell bad. Some hair companies here be smelling bad, but it doesn't smell bad. It doesn't have a bad odor. Yeah. Okay. So it's just a net on here. I'm gonna take the net off. And y'all know frontals come with this on it. Now I'm gonna take it out the net so y'all can see. Look at that. Oh my god, this is cute. And this lace is thin. Wow, this lace is really thin. Okay, look at that lace. Look. Hold on, I'm trying to show y'all. It's thin. This is cute. Look at the bounce in the wave. Yes, sir. It's shiny and soft. Y'all see how that look, bro? Like, oh my god. That looks so good. Look at this hair. Look at this hair. Y'all see the shine and the bounciness? It smells good. Like, I love the way weave smell. And it doesn't have an odor. Like, this is cute. Yes. Oh my god. I got braids in, so y'all can't really see it on me, but just imagine it on me. The frontal gonna be plucked and all that. Just imagine. Cute. Period. Let me stop being silly. Yes, it's soft. Running my fingers through it. I'm not getting no shedding. Running my fingers through it. See what I get. See what I get. See what I get. See what I get. No shedding. Okay. Cool. Look at the way that I walk. Look at the way that I walk. I'm shopping at Fendi. You shopping at Ross. Yeah, this is cute. Fold it back up. Put it in the bag. Period. Look at that shine. Like, it's so soft. Oh my god, y'all. Yes. 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 Put this back in the bag. Should I put the hairnet back on? I guess so. I guess I could. Really, I don't want to, but I'm just put it back in. Put that back in the bag. Now, I'm not going to sit here and open each bundle because they're all the same. So, I'm going to show y'all the 24-inch. Which is, nope, this one. Okay. Have a little rubber band on it. Just pop that baby off. I be keeping them, y'all. These rubber bands be coming in handy sometimes. Sometimes they do. So, open it from the bottom. This is the 22 Malaysian body wave. 22-inch. I mean, 24-inch. I'm tripping, y'all. Let's see what the bundle's talking about. Okay. You see that wave? I'm taking it off. All of the bundles come with hairnets on them. Boom. Look at the waviness and the shine, y'all. And it's so soft and bouncy. Like, look at that. Yes. Period. So let's do a link check. See, it comes about. I am 5. What am I? 5'1"? No, I'm not. I think I'm 5'3". I don't know. I really don't know. But I got it sit here. I'm gonna have to stand up so y'all can see. No, I'm gonna stand up. And it comes about here. Can y'all see? So yeah, pretty true to length. Pretty true to length. But if I get this hair in, I'm gonna get mine cut short. So yeah, it's soft, y'all. Run my fingers through it. See if we get some shedding. Look at it. Yes. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Period. Period. No shedding. Okay. It's so soft, y'all. I can't stop touching it. Like, it's so soft and wavy and bouncy and shiny. Go get y'all some of these bundles, y'all, because look. Yes, ma'am. Period. 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 I'm really having fun right now playing with these because it's so soft and pretty. Like, wow. No shedding. Wow. Period. Y'all make sure y'all go get some bundles from them, y'all, because they got them. They got them. They got them. Yeah, cute. I'm going to put this back in the net and put it back in the bag. probably putting it in the net wrong, but I don't care. I'm gonna just put it back in the bag. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure y'all go shop with them. Go get your bundles, ladies, because they got the bundles and they're not expensive. So make sure you go shop. Make sure you go shop. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.